Are you in the market for a new luxury crossover vehicle? Look no further than Dominion Motors in Thunder Bay and the premium lineup of Buick models they offer. Let's start with the Buick Encore, a compact SUV that punches above its weight class. The Encore is perfect for city driving or weekend getaways with its sleek design, nimble handling, and advanced safety features. And with up to 48.4 cubic feet of cargo space, it's surprisingly versatile. If you're looking for more room, the Buick Envision is the midsize SUV for you. With its bold exterior styling, premium interior materials, and advanced technology, the Envision epitomizes modern luxury. And with available all-wheel drive and up to 57.3 cubic feet of cargo space, it's ready for any adventure. But if you want to go big, there's nothing like the Buick Enclave. This full-size SUV is the ultimate in comfort, convenience, and capability. With seating for up to 7 available captain's chairs, and up to 97.6 cubic feet of cargo space, the Enclave is perfect for long road trips, family vacations, or simply cruising around town in style. So why should you buy a Buick from Dominion Motors in Thunder Bay? For starters, they have a wide selection of Buick models, including the Encore, Envision, and Enclave. But it's not just about the vehicles themselves. Dominion Motors is committed to providing a top-notch customer experience with knowledgeable sales staff, friendly service technicians, and a no-pressure sales approach. And don't worry if you currently own a vehicle, because Dominion Motors buys cars, trucks, SUVs, and crossovers of all brands and models, and they will make you an exciting offer for your current vehicle. So if you're ready to upgrade to a new luxury crossover, come to Dominion Motors in Thunder Bay and check out the Buick lineup. From the nimble Encore to the spacious Enclave, there's a Buick for every lifestyle.